love will suffice. Summer is full of life. Imagine all the green grass and trees that still flame towards the sky. I be somewhere there hanging on the branches like the nest. The nest is a place where a bird gives birth and resides. Dream under my grow wings and flying to the sky. Random words flow like the Nile. Wow, I chill with the stars along the Milky Galaxy. My mind spirals, goes like a whirlwind it goes. She screams as she vigorously scratches her head. She was born schizophrenic. She's 17 already. As a 4-year-old son, she was raped by her uncle named Oscar. Oscar, the son of that old council clerk of awkward posture. His papa was a priest in a Black Rhodesian church, and the brother is Andla Comrade Nyatsonya. Lent operation, more bloodshed in August. Tochema Magamba. Mama made me strong. I could walk around this world in peace and find a home among a people and call them a family. A family is anywhere you welcome at any hour, because love comes natural, the only true power. In the awakening of self-realization that cater for the time lost. Now that the sun is my mentor, Doridambira Shangu, on top of the mountain where the voices of my predecessors echo. People living in the illusion of independence. The struggle continues until the mind is liberated. A luta continua towards disturbing directions. Yes, I'm talking about the African elites. Corruption, emotional patriotic sentiments in my voice. Wave the flag in the face of the crooked civil servant. The plague that devastated the motherland. Years of blood spilled in vain. Pluvial fuel, I man love the rain. Let the children play. Beauty of the rainbow. I'll sing forever, cause love is eternal. The music so delightful, the brilliance is essential. I'd recite the song down by the river. I once danced with Gina, the sweetness with the fine figure. At times, she craves for oranges and ginger beer. She laughs till she cries and snows sweet as she slips. A smile in my heart I keep. Every time I think of it, it skips a bit. The freedom of a root, let it grow deep. Happiness is the highest level of success, and love is the only thing that matters, not the rest. Overrate religion and create more division. Overrate religion and create more confusion. Plant a seed of love and you will reap it. I saw the Prince of Peace in a vision. Self-counseled wisely, my own Solomon. My own Solomon, the author, wrote that he, a former slave of mental disorders, was unshackled by the ever-loving Most High. So let it fly across the vault of the sky, and when the wind blows, let it sing along, full of life, water and light on the universe. Love will suffice. Love will suffice. So let it fly across the vault of the sky, and when the wind blows, let it sing along, full of life, water and light on the universe, and love will suffice. Love will suffice. So let it fly across the vault of the sky, and when the wind blows, let it sing along, remain full of life, water and light in the universe, and love will suffice. Love will suffice. Surely suffice. So let it fly across the vault of the sky, and when the wind blows, let it swing along, firm and full of life, water and light in the universe, and love will suffice. Love will suffice. So let it fly across the vault of the sky, and when the wind blows, let it swing along, firm and full of life, water and light in the universe, and love will suffice. Love will suffice. Surely suffice.